welcome to making a new video of reviewing a fidget thing, a 12-sided fidget cube called the Holy Crystal Decompression Magic Cube. I don't know, I just call it a 12-sided fidget cube. Get out of here! So, what we're going to be reviewing, it comes with this script that says what the things do and shows you them. So, what we're going to do is going to be reading them when I show. So let's go from the first one.
Gear.
This is the gear thing that I'm fidgeting with right now.
The side has 3 gears which can be poked and rolled, spreading voice of clear and harmony.
Just so you know, the English is going to be kind of like jibbered up.
What's next? Rotating disc.
Rotating disc.
Do you want to rotating disc? You can come and try it.
It's this thing. It's a spinning disc.
This is from China, right?
Yeah.
You got it on Amazon.
So it doesn't have perfect words.
Number 3 is the button.
The button.
Next says game controller button experience using ABS material to enhance texture.
Okay, that one's kind of normal. The last one is the stupidest one.
Number 4, silicone ball. Soft and exquisite hand feeling, resilient. Number 5, switch. You can have experience of the ubiquitous switch rhythm. Number 6 is the joystick.
Joystick? This thing. This one's normal.
360-degree rotation joystick.
That one's normal.
And silicone rope.
This one's kind of stupid, this thing.
Free shrinkage. It can be hung anywhere and not afraid of missing.
Like, do that mean like not afraid of you missing to see it or missing of hanging it up because it's big?
8, soft button.
Soft button.
Clicks. People who like pressing ball pen can try it.
I don't get it. I'm scared, kind of.
And then number 9,
This one's
soft
gonna be
silicone.
This one.
And it says small, soft tactility that have the function of blood circulation and massage.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
10, the worry stone.
This thing.
Using fingers to rub repeatedly that can relieve stress and annoyance effectively.
Okay, that one makes sense.
Kinda, yeah. It's just worded funny. And the sliding block. Are you sliding?
Yeah, my eyes itchy.
Sliding the sliding block to adjust own life rhythm.
What? I don't get it. And finally, the weirdest one.
Smiling face. There's little...
The little smiley face. Please. There's a smiley face.
And it says, is little face very cute? It won't be angry no matter how to pinch.
I don't get it.
Yes.
So here it is. The majestical... Stand up! The majestical fidget cube.
Or whatever. The Holy Crystal Decompression.
The magic. Holy...
Crystal Decompression
I was like, what is it?
Magic
The
Cube.
Holy Crystal Decompression Magic. Oh.
Will this be the new trend?
Probably. So, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, also comment below what you want to see. More fidget reviews, probably, because I always get new fidget toys. And more normal reviews. Bye!